This is the Billcrm ERP web application. This is the web page. Here you need to enter the username and password. This opens directly to the dashboard of application. Here we can see the main functions and important notifications like new orders, orders to confirm, customers to confirm, low stock, standing orders, outstanding orders, new customers, warehouses, item master, stock management, settings, sales report and sales overview. And on the left side menu, you can see some tabs like Home button, Customer, Purchase, Warehouse, Inventory, Ops Center, Reports and some other tabs are also there. We will discuss each tab in detail. Next we are dealing with Settings. Select the Settings tab from left side menu. It shows Settings and Manage Tax. Click on Settings and it directed to the Settings page. Here you have to give the details about country, state, district, and location. In the textbook you should enter the name of country and save it. The countries saved are listed below. In the state text box, you must select the country and under the selected country you can save the state. Likewise under the state district is saved. And at last the required locations can be created under selected district. Now these locations get saved in the app and locations can be assigned to the persons as you need. Then you need to complete this page by entering the currency of the country. You can enter multiple currency based on the country in which you are doing your business. Next, user type, for providing access to the persons who are using the app. You can set access for each users according to their role, in which sales and admin role need not be changed because the mobile app is working according to their access. You can add multiple price group and when you are set item management in the warehouse in web application select the price group for specific item. When the salesperson creating the customer she can easily set the price group for that customer. For example, when you are create customer, if you select the retailer price group, the price of item added to that customer is only the retailer price. Customer category to categorize different customers. Next, manage tax in settings. In this page you can add tax. In each country tax percentage is different. When you click on add tax, here are some tax details have to enter. Each item has specific HSN code, tax type that is not VAT, GST. In VAT, percentage of tax set for each item. For GST, CGST and IGST split up is shown in the system. You can edit and view the saved tax from the listed tax. Next is the warehouse. Click on the warehouse tab and select warehouses. Here we can create the warehouse. Basic details of warehouse you have to give in here. Enter the warehouse type, normal warehouse or van warehouse. Normal warehouse selected for order taking delivery system. In van warehouse one salesperson can access only one warehouse. Van warehouse selected for van sale. Each warehouse has separate bill series. Enter the details of country, state and email ID. Also enter the address of the warehouse, phone numbers, registration numbers, tax method, in which you have to select VAT, GST, or no tax method according to the tax method you are following. The price method, exclusive or inclusive price you have to select here. The exclusive tax method means the tax added to the net cost of the item. For example, if cost of item is 100, the tax 10% added and net amount shown as 110. In case of inclusive tax, the included in the item cost. Enter currency and time zones based on the country you are billing your items and invoicing address, what address you want to see in the invoice. Next is order disclosure, in which you can enter the messages you want to show in invoices. In this application there are 3 bill series. First is for tax bill series, second non-tax bill series, and third is return sales series. In each series you have to enter separate prefix number as shown, that is enter the company name, then a hyphen and the year. Serial number started from 0 normally. And enter suffix if needed. After completing the basic details, click on the Save Warehouse button below the form. Here you completed the warehouse creation. You can view the saved warehouses just below in Warehouses. You can edit warehouses by just clicking on the Action button and update it. Next is Inventory. In Inventory, select Item Brand. This is for select the item from the specific brand while creating invoice. This makes easy to search the item. You need to add new brand by providing the name of item brand. Next is Item Category. This also for easy searching of item under specific category. Parent category is that any category is come under any parent category, you need to enter it. Otherwise leave the text box. Next, move on to Item Master from Inventory. In this page you can create an item. Enter the type of item, that is select service or product or package as the type of item you want to create. Then enter item unit, select PR piece, kilogram or meter based on the item. Enter item code, correct item name and description. Select brand and category of the item you already created before. Save the item and the listed items can be viewed in the list. You can edit and view the item from there. To create the next new item, click on Item Management. We created the item in the Item Master. Then you have to add the item to the specific warehouse. Then only salesman can add the item when he takes order. From Warehouse of left side menu, select Item Management. In this page you have to select the warehouse and the item you want to add in that warehouse, then enter the purchase price of the item. You can see an auto update button. If you enable the button, purchase price will be updated in each time when you purchase the same item. Stock in warehouse, showing the number of exact stock of the item in warehouse. Enter reorder level, and availability must be given as yes, otherwise the salesman not able to view the item. Enter tax code for the item already set in Manage Tax. Duration is for the services, not for physical items. Priority is to set up the high priority item to be shown in first in the item list. Priority can be given as 1, 2, 50, or 100, that is where you want to see the item in the list. Then the price group. Here you need to enter the price of item for retailer, stockiest, and dealer specifically. So the different price will be updated in the customer based on the customer category of customer. You can able to search the item according Stock transfer selected from warehouse. You have to map the item to be transferred to both warehouses. There should be minimum of one quantity of item must be in the source warehouse. Enter the source warehouse and give the items to transfer and enter the destination warehouse and item details. Then click Transfer Stock button. The stock will be updated in the system correctly. Next, convert the items. You must enter the fields in this page correctly, then the stock will be updated after the stock transfer in each warehouse. Item converter is used to convert quantity of an item to equivalent quantity of the same item. For example, you have 100 kilograms rice in your stock, but the customer demands only 10 kilograms packets. So you can convert this 100 kilograms to 10 kilograms packets by giving the input and output items in this page. So the stock will be updated correctly. OP Center. This is used to run system properly. In user type, different type of user types are there, in which you can edit all user types except admin and salesperson. When you click on action of user type, you can access each user and able to define the page role access and button permission for each user based on their role. If you remove the access, the user lost the access to the removed page. Next, users. Here you can create user by enter the details of user, and the main thing is to assign the user type to the new user. In this application, admin and salesperson have separate mobile app. They can join to the mobile app if only they are assigned to these user types. You can simply assign the location and warehouse here. For the salesperson, you can assign particular area, location, district or state as per their assigned working area. When we going to the details of a user, in user profile, reset device ID is there. One user registered in their device. If you want to change the device of one user already registered, you need to reset the device ID and must delete the history to register the user in other device. Track users. Here you can track your users based on username, district, state, location, and dates. You can also track the activities, visited, order placed and last visited by the user. All over by using this app you can monitor your employees within your control.
Purchase and sales. From the left side menu, select supplier from purchase. In this page you can add new supplier by providing the details, and also you can visualize the list of suppliers. Next is purchase entry. Here you can add the purchase items by providing all the details like warehouse, supplier, tax method, and payment also. Next is purchase return. Here you can view the return items against a purchase. In sales, you can take order and all the functions through web also. You can make a new order from the web. In order and invoices, you can search order and invoices by different options based on name of customer, date, order number, etc. You can view the list of orders and invoices. In sales return, there is list of sales return items and you can search by different options. Collection report also can taken from the web. You can search collection based on date, user, customer and so on. You can download the report also.